that is stated. Nashtaprayeshu abhadreshu nityam bhagavata sevaya. This class is held for the benefit of the human society. And this is the process of nityam bhagavata sevaya. Sinnatang sakatha Krishna punnat savana kirtan. If we regularly hear about Krishna, why regularly, constantly? If we practice in such a way that we shall hear about Krishna, talk about Krishna, chant about Krishna, eat about Krishna, work about Krishna, sleep about Krishna, walk about Krishna, that is Krishna consciousness movement. Sinnatang sagata Krishna punya savana kirtan. Anything we do in relationship with Krishna is pious. Punya savana kirtan. Nirbandhe Krishna sambandha yukta vairagam uchyate. This is the instruction of Srila Rupa Goswami. Dovetail everything with Krishna activities, Krishna consciousness. That is the recommendation. Then our life will be successful.